Welcome to Passware 2022 version 4 What's New video. We'll make a quick overview of the key features and improvements available in the October release. Find more details in the blog post linked to the video description below. Following Apple macOS updates, Passware Kit now supports macOS Ventura, including password recovery and decryption for File Vault 2, APFS, data extraction, as well as memory image analysis. Passware Kit version 4 detects hash types of system volumes encrypted with Vericrypt. Passware Kit does not check irrelevant hashes when the hash type information is present, thus significantly speeding up the password recovery process. Passware also adds support for 1Password 8 for Mac and Windows. Password recovery performance for 1Password 8 is over 36,000 passwords per second on a single AMD 6900 XT GPU. The latest update resets Windows account and domain administrator passwords for Windows systems set up in the UEFI mode, including Windows versions 10 and 11. In addition to instant QuickBooks database decryption, Passware Kit now offers brute force password recovery for specific accounts. Original passwords can be recovered for a selected account or any account present in the database. QuickBooks for Windows versions 2006 through 2022 are supported. After the password gets recovered, access to sensitive fields in the database is gained. Moreover, the recovered password can be reused to access to other encrypted evidence of the same user. The latest version now includes a Vietnamese language dictionary for Zeev, brute force, mask, and dictionary attacks. The process of calculating MD5 hashes for large disk images and files can be time-consuming. The Files and Folders section of the Tools Options dialog now offers an option to turn MD5 hash calculation off to reduce processing time. Please share your feedback or suggestions on how to improve Password Kit. You'll find a link to vote, discuss, or suggest a new feature in the video description below. Thank you for joining us today.